Hello everyone. Previously, hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the tag templates. So today we'll be discussing about the managing JavaScript timers efficiently. So efficient timer management basically involves clearing necessary intervals or the timeouts and using request animation frame for the performance sensitive tasks, right? So we will try to implement the same. We'll try with the simple example, nothing but the clearing intervals, right? So initially I'll just come here. Let me quickly give here that counter. Let me initialize the counter to 0. We'll just consider interval to set interval of this one, right? So I'll just log something. Just give me a second here. Yeah. Let me just log counter I have considered, right? Yeah. So let me write one condition quickly here. If counter equals 5, then let's make use of the clear interval of, we have considered interval, right? Yeah. The interval. I'll set the timer to 100 or 500 milliseconds. Let me set this one to 500 milliseconds. So output has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after every 0.5 seconds, right? So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. The set interval, basically here I have made use of the set interval right here. The set interval runs a function every second. Every 500 millisecond. Sorry. Again, I'm telling set interval runs a function every 500 milliseconds or the 0.5 second. So when counter reaches 5, when counter reaches 5, clear interval stops the further execution. Here, this one, right? And counter reaches 5, clear interval stops the further execution. So let's try running the code. So you can clearly see here the same thing is happening here, right? What I have said. So I hope the concept of managing the JavaScript timers efficiently is completely clear. So efficient timer management is nothing but it involves clearing the unnecessary intervals or timeouts and using the request animation frame if necessary for the performance sensitive tasks. So I have just shown you one example. Make use of request animation frame. In the example, I insist try it out on your own, right? So try out with some other examples as well. So this is it for now. Next, we will be discussing on the JavaScript decorator function. So we have already discussed about the decorators, if you remember. Here we will be discussing about the decorator functions, not the decorator, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.